Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch Crunchyroll offline. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So what we first need to do is go ahead and download the Crunchyroll app on your smartphone or tablet, because desktop browser and most smart TVs don't support downloading. Then after that, we need to go ahead and upgrade our account, unfortunately. So you need to pick a premium subscription. So we need to choose a mega fan or a mega fan yearly, so either monthly or yearly. And if we scroll down here, you can see offline viewing for mega fan, and mega fan with the year is offline viewing as well, but you need to view this on the app on your mobile device or a tablet. Then from there, simply browse the episode you want and tap the download arrow beside that, and you can even hit sync all to grab every episode in a series. And also you can choose your quality, so pick from low, medium, high quality. The better the quality, the more space it uses. And then from there, simply watch offline anytime. So inside the app, go to your list and then offline in the app to access your downloaded anime.